Two terrorists were killed in an encounter with security forces in Old Barzola area of Srinagar. Security forces had launched a cordon search operation in Old Barzola area of the city in early hours of Monday after receiving specific inputs about the presence of terrorists in the area. Here's a report.
Acting on a tip-off, the Jammu and Kashmir security forces averted a major terror attack in the valley. Cordoning off the Old Barzola area of the city, at 7:45 a.m. when searches were going on, the terrorists fired upon the forces.
आज के ऑपरेशन का खास बात यह है कि इसमें लश्कर का टॉप कमांडर सैफुल्ला जो पाकिस्तान का रहने वाला है वो मारा गया है और सैफुल्ला जो ये पिछले एक के बाद एक 3 मेजर अटैक्स में शामिल था। कैसरमुल्ला बडगाम में कुछ ही दिन पहले सीआरपी की पार्टी पर अटैक हुआ था जिसमें एक एएसआई हमारे शहीद हुए थे।
Retaliating, the forces not only foiled the attack but eradicated Naugam terror attack mastermind and Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorist Saifullah along with 2 others. Saifullah, who was involved in the attack on CRPF official on 24th of September, had been at large operating out of South Kashmir.
Giving details about the anti-terror operations in Kashmir particularly, some 180 terrorists have been neutralized by the forces overall this year, and also this was done in 75 anti-terror operations. DGP also claimed that some 26 terrorists returned back to normalcy. They joined the normal life, and also said they are keeping an eye on Srinagar city, where as per the reports the terrorists have managed to sneak in, but at the same time said whenever terrorist tries to enter Srinagar city, the anti-terror operations are being carried in order to neutralize them. So far this year in Srinagar city, some anti-terror operations as far as are concerned, some 8 anti-terror operations were carried by the security forces. With Vijay Mubashir Hussain, this is Inazishan Fazil for Republic Media Network in Srinagar.